This is a tuple, and this is 2, and this one, and this one. We can index and slice tuples. This is a tuple A. We cannot delete items from it or reassign them. We can perform operations on tuples like add all the values in them. Apples and oranges. Write a function that takes in a list of fruits holding the number of apples and oranges, tuples of such numbers. Apples have 2 points and oranges have 3. Make the function return the total number of points for each case. Fruits is a function that takes a list of tuples, results is an empty dictionary. For each tuple in the list values, let it be a key, and its value should be twice the number of apples and thrice the number of oranges. So if we have 2 apples and 3 oranges, we have 13 points. The apple-orange tuples act as keys for this dictionary. Tuples are immutable. Tuple pyramid. Write a function that creates a tuple with a string, adding a counter to it each time until it reaches desired height. This function takes a string and the height of the pyramid. Tup is the string. For the entire height of the pyramid, tup is the tuple holding tup and the current height. Then it prints this. So Pyramid of Egypt 7 prints out the following pyramid for 7 lines.